Okay, a couple different things going on here. First of all, it's a pretty straightforward figure out which graph fits some situations here. So this says a mean of -2. So the only one up here that has a mean of -2 is graph C. The mean would be the middle of all those curves. So the mean would be here, which is -2. That's the only one that has a mean of -2. So that's graph C. And then a mean of 0. This graph here, graph B, has a mean of 2. So that one's out. So those both have a mean of 0, A and D. So a standard deviation of 0.447 means it's going to be pretty packed, pretty tight, pretty steep curve, because remember, most of the data lies within one standard deviation above or below, which this top graph here is this graph right here is really spread out. So it's going to have a pretty big standard deviation. This graph right here, D, is going to have a pretty compact standard deviation because your curve is really steep. So this is going to be graph D right there. So that's recognizing stuff off of the graph. This is normal CDF and inverse norm problems right here. So the best way to do these was to draw a little sketch. So for B, 20 is right there, 15 is going to be right there. I probably that it weighs less than 15. So I'm going over here. So I'm going to go to my calculator. Second bars is where I go there. So normal CDF, so 2. So the lower, I want it to be, like we said, put in like -10,000. The upper is going to be 15. The mean is 20. The standard deviation is 3.5. And then it pastes it all in for me. Probability is 0.076. 0.07656. So 0.07656, which is 0.0766 to 3 figures there. Okay, so that's the probability here. Then this second one's an inverse norm. So it says any suitcase that weighs more than that is excess baggage. So 19.6% of the suitcases are identified as excess baggage, meaning it's over here like this, 19.6. Remember, our calculators only like to do the other way, so we need to go 100 minus 19.6 to get this part over here, which is going to be 80.4. So when I do my inverse norm, I want to make sure to use that value right there. So I go to my calculator, second bars again, inverse norm. The area is 0.804. The mean is 20, and the standard deviation 3.5. Now this calculator does left, center, right, so I could do it other ways. A lot of calculators only do left, so we try to stick to just left. So we'll paste that in there, and it's 22.995. So 22.995, which 3 significant figures is going to be 23.0.